Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to play the piano in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go ahead and download it from the App Store, and after opening up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the application where we can get started finding all the instruments we can play, we can get started recording ourselves, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to get started playing the piano. There are two ways. If you guys want to play the piano in real life and record yourself doing so, you are going to be using the audio recorder option right here. So once you open up the audio recorder, this is when you can get into the recording menu, and to get started recording, you want to play whatever you want to record and put your iPhone near it like a microphone. So what you want to do is click the big red circle right here at the top of the screen. As you can see, this is going to start the recording process, and after starting the recording process, it's going to record everything you play near the iPhone. This is if you're playing in real life. If you want to play the piano in GarageBand as an instrument, if you do not have one in real life, you want to go ahead and scroll down in the menu right here and find the keyboard option. So the keyboard is the option that we want to use, so click on keyboard, and here now we can get started recording ourselves. The process is the same. Click the big red circle at the top of the screen and start playing your music, and after that it's going to save it as a track and you'll be able to use it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.